Hi, this is Ryan Lewis and welcome to the PAS classroom. Today we've got two flam exercises for beginners. Oftentimes beginners, as they're learning the rudiments, play the flam as two separate strokes and the grace note and the main note are too far apart. We've got two exercises today that will help make sure they know how flam should feel in the hands. For the first exercise, we're going to do soft eighth notes with both hands. We're going to gradually raise the right hand, allow the hands to split apart and strike at different times. Keep the left hand low, right hand high. Lower the right hand. Now raise the left hand. Keep the right hand low, the left hand high. And back down. For the second exercise, we're going to start with soft eighth notes in the left hand and then drop the right hand in from a higher height. Allow them to split apart and strike at different times. Then repeat with the left hand. And that's today's lesson from the PAS classroom.